Our family has dreams. My mother's dream is for me to not get sick and all of our family members to live a healthy life. My father's dream is for us to live in a clean environment. And my dream is for a place like this, where I can play without any worries to last a long, long time. Because my mom's and dad's dreams come true here. Where is this place, you say? This is Korea Institute of Toxicology, an institution in charge of health and happiness of our family. Chemicals appeared in our lives with the development of humankind in the 21st century. There are about 100,000 kinds of chemicals currently being used by humankind, and thousands of chemicals are being newly developed every year. These chemicals are useful for humankind, but on the other hand, incur huge damages with toxicity and side effects. For the systematic research and evaluation on the safety of these chemicals, Korea Institute of Toxicology was born. Chemicals threaten the health of humankind and natural environment, and the Korea Institute of Toxicology is the only government-funded research institute in Korea, researching toxicity and safety of chemicals. Healthy citizens and safe society. This is another name for Korea Institute of Toxicology. Korea Institute of Toxicology has led the safety research on drugs and chemicals for the last 30 years. Korea Institute of Toxicology is the core infrastructure conducting national chemical safety research, with its headquarters located in Daejeon, with specialized facilities and professional researchers in each region, from Jonguk, Jeollabuk-do, and Jinju-si, Gyeongsang-namdo, to strengthen research capabilities for the safety evaluation. Numerous drugs and chemicals that are newly being developed. These products should all be safe for humans. The standards for safe use should be made. Must not cause adverse events to our body, and must be discharged easily. They must not cause damage to our genes, and must not have any influence to our next generations. Thoroughly researching and evaluating all possibilities related to safety and making sure that only safe products would reach the citizens. That is the important challenge for the Korea Institute of Toxicology. All citizens should live in healthy and pleasant environments. Unexpected harm from chemicals must be prevented. Harmful products must be distinguished, and harmfulness of fine dust must be clearly identified. A clear evaluation criteria must be established for endocrine disruptors. Must be used in a method safe for natural environments, and the admitted chemicals must not have negative influence to the natural environment. Natural environment that is safe from chemicals. It is the asset that must be kept for generations, and another precious value of the Korea Institute of Toxicology. The advancement of science and technology brought about development of numerous new materials. The cells and genes that constitute human body becomes the cure, and drugs that you can inhale are being developed. Various natural products in nature are used as good food and medicines, and green algae in the water becomes excellent resources. Korea Institute of Toxicology supports these new challenges. New material is new value. Korea Institute of Toxicology supports creation of new and safe values by enterprises. Korea Institute of Toxicology dreams of safety evaluation without animal testing. Human cells are used, and toxicity prediction through artificial tissues and molecular imaging technology. Big data and computer simulation. The visions of Korea Institute of Toxicology meet state-of-the-art technology to open a new future for safety evaluation. Korea Institute of Toxicology aims for the value of accompanied growth. We support the birth of private testing and research institutions and cooperate to grow technology. Korea Institute of Toxicology is the only national research institution in the safety evaluation field. We are putting in our best efforts today to enhance national competitiveness and achieve technological leap as a partner of SMEs and high-potential enterprises so that bioindustry could be revitalized. Everybody says, it's safe. But Korea Institute of Toxicology is always asking questions. What are the ways for safe society and healthy environment from chemicals? That is how everybody can be safe. Efforts for the society that everybody can be safe. That is the promise that Korea Institute of Toxicology is making.